Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to create smooth slow motion in Davinci Resolve using optical flow. This technique will help you achieve professional-looking slow motion footage without the choppy, stuttery playback you'd typically get when simply slowing down your clips. Let's start by opening your Davinci Resolve application. Once it's loaded up and you're on the main interface, direct your attention to the bottom of your screen where you'll see several workspace tabs. Click on Edit to enter the editing workspace. This is where you'll be doing most of your video editing and timeline work. Now locate the video clip you want to slow down on your timeline. Right-click directly on this clip, and from the menu that appears, select Change Clip Speed. A dialog box will pop up where you can adjust the speed percentage. Here, you can set it to 50% for half speed, 75% for a slightly slower effect, or even lower depending on how dramatic you want your slow motion to be. The lower the percentage, the slower your footage will play. Choose the speed that works best for your creative vision. After adjusting the speed, click on the video clip again to make sure it's selected. Now look toward the top right area of your interface and click on Inspector. This panel is essential for accessing detailed properties and settings for your selected clip. It's where you'll find all the fine-tuning controls that can really elevate your edit. Within the Inspector panel, you'll see several sections. Find and click on Retime and Scaling. This section contains all the retiming options that control how Davinci Resolve processes your speed-adjusted footage. This is where the magic happens for creating smooth slow motion. Inside the Retime and Scaling section, locate the setting labeled Retime Process. Click the drop-down menu right beside it and select Optical Flow from the available options. Optical Flow is the key technology that analyzes your footage frame by frame and intelligently creates new in-between frames to make your slow motion look fluid and natural, rather than just duplicating existing frames. Next, find the setting called Motion Estimation, which appears just below. Click the drop-down menu beside it and select Enhanced Better. This setting tells Davinci Resolve to use a higher quality analysis when generating those in-between frames, resulting in smoother, more accurate slow motion with fewer artifacts. And that's it. Your slow motion footage should now play back smoothly and professionally. The combination of optical flow and enhanced better motion estimation ensures that your slowed down clips maintain their quality and fluidity. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.